आज जम्मू कश्मीर तहरीक हक़ खुद आज़ादियत इंटरनेशनल ने यहाँ मैनचेस्टर में बरतानिया के इंतखाबात के हवाले से लेबर पार्टी के उन उम्मीदवारों की हमायत के लिए एक इज्तिमा अरेंज किया है, जिसमें एंड्रयू, ग्विन, अफजल खान, यास्मीन, कुरैशी और दीगर वो जो हमारे दोस्त हैं, साथी हैं, जिन्होंने कश्मीर के हवाले से हमारा साथ दिया है। ओल्डम से डेबी अब्राहम्स, आस्टन से एंजला रैनर और इसी तरह मुख्तलिफ शहरों में तहरीक के अहदेदारान जा रहे हैं और हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जो हमारे दोस्त माजी में हमें सपोर्ट करते रहे हैं उनको सपोर्ट करें, ताकि वो मुंतखब होकर कश्मीर काज के लिए, पाकिस्तान के लिए और यहाँ हमारे बच्चों के मुस्तकबिल के हवाले से हमारी मदद कर सकें, हमारी सपोर्ट कर सकें। और मैं इस मौके पर अपनी पाकिस्तानी और कश्मीरी कम्यूनिटी से खुसूसी तौर पर अपील करूँगा कि वो हमारे उन दोस्तों को ज़रूर सपोर्ट करें जिन्होंने माजी में कश्मीरियों के साथ सपोर्ट किया।
Today's event is really important. We've got a rally for the Jammu Kashmir self-determination movement. Have arranged to have a meeting with our local candidates who are standing in the general election. So we have Andrew Gwynne, we have Afzal Khan, Debbie Abrams, we have several other candidates attending today, and it's really important to listen to their message. We've had 14 years of austerity. We've gone through so much crisis with the cost of living crisis, Brexit, COVID. We are at rock bottom. Our constitutional residents today, we are lobbying for the Labour Party and want everyone to realise that they have a vote, and that vote is so valuable that we need each and every one of you to come out and make sure you vote on the 4th of July.
और मैं समझता हूँ कि एंड्रयू ग्विन is the fantastic candidate and he will serve the communities very well. लेबर पार्टी ने सारे जबरदस्त कैंडिडेट फील्ड किए हैं.
That's why we need to have that immediate ceasefire. We need to get the hostages out. We need to get the aid in the quantities that's needed to avert an even bigger humanitarian catastrophe.
organising tonight and to have so many distinguished guests here.
I'm very humbled to be standing here as Chair of Labour Friends of Kashmir.
I think it's great that we had today's event here.
My name is Gwynne and I'm proud to be Labour's parliamentary candidate in Altrincham and Sale West.
From Glasgow, he served in Pakistan as governor twice, and we had this opportunity, Jammu Kashmir self-determination movement, organized 2 seminars and 1 conference in his presence in Governor House. We were very lucky to have him in Pakistan, and we are very lucky to have him in one.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, thank you to you and your team for organizing this wonderful event.
Big smiles, please.
No, you are not.